Hello everyone, T-Zilla, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? I am back again on YouTube. And today I have another figure to review. It's the 40th Memorial Box MechaGodzilla 1974 from the Showa era. And to prove that this is the Memorial Box, here is his card. Here's a nice picture, the nice cover of Godzilla vs. MechaGodzilla. Really nice cover, nice artwork. As you can see, here it is up close. All the stuff in Japanese. That's the card. Now let's go into detail. Detail on MechaGodzilla is really nice. I really like how they sculpted the figure. I like how the head is nicely sculpted. Got that robotic look on MechaGodzilla, more robotic. Like the metals all over his entire body. Like how the arms are sculpted. Just look at that. That looks really, really nice. Legs are nicely sculpted. And on the back looks really nice. Got that dorsal plate. Spikes or whichever you call them. And the tail, the small tail. And paint job looks really nice. I like the metallic silver white color that they added on MechaGodzilla, and I like the black highlights on the arm and on the back. Looks really, really nice. Underneath. And I like how they added the teeth, and I like how the eyes are painted, and I like how they painted this part from MechaGodzilla, this part right here, like the red. Like how the eyes are painted, all robot. Looks really nice. The only thing that they missed painting was the MG, the logo on MechaGodzilla's arm. It's supposed to be painted, but they left it that way. But oh well. But overall, the figure's not that bad. Detail and paint job looks really nice on MechaGodzilla. In my opinion, I think everything on the figure looks amazing. And underneath the feet, there we go. Underneath the feet, Bandai Japan, 1983. That's the year the mold was made. Articulation, both arms can go 360 degrees. And he is a soft vinyl figure, so he's very squishy. As you can see how soft vinyl he is. Like, he is way too squishy. Squish the tail. Legs. And the head. And head rotates 360. Can have MechaGodzilla looking that way or this way. And legs, of course, rotate 360. And that's about it. That's 5 points of articulation. Now, moving on to size comparison. For comparison, let's compare him with the Bandai Creation MechaGodzilla. As you can see, the 40th Memorial Box is taller than the Bandai Creation. This guy's shorter. Fake Godzilla. Godzilla 1974. Bandai Creation Godzilla 1968. Anguirus. King Caesar. And my final thoughts on the 40th Memorial Box MechaGodzilla 1974. This guy is pretty rare and he is very hard to find since he is part of the 40th Memorial Box. He is pretty rare, and if you find one on eBay, if you're looking for a 40th Memorial Box and you find one on eBay, go ahead and get it. I highly recommend it to you. Detail looks really good in my opinion. Paint job looks amazing. Articulation, he's got 5 points. So the figure is going to get a 10 out of 10. I'll give him that score because it's a pretty cool figure and I'm really happy to have a 40th Memorial Box MechaGodzilla figure in my collection. So that's my review. Thank you all so much for watching my content. You all are awesome. I really do appreciate it. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like, subscribe button, and comment down below. And I will see you all in the next video. See ya!